Hello Amazon shoppers, it's Amy here with 911 Studios, and today we're going over the best home fitness equipment on all of Amazon. These are amazing, you guys. If they are not in your home gym, pick them up today. These are Parallette push-up bars. I love these. You guys, I'm totally hooked on them. I love to do yoga, and this has taken my practice to a whole new level. I'm talking my L-sits, all of my chaturangas, and especially all of my arm balances are just on a completely different level since I've started using these push-up bars. One thing that I love about them is they're really stable, they're lightweight, they're portable, they're easy to take with you wherever you may go. They're made out of great materials. They're going to stay, like you don't have to worry about them shifting or moving, even if you use them on hardwood floors. They're really stable. Also, I find the grips to be really comfortable. One of the reasons I love using these, just even in any sort of bodyweight training, is not only do you get that extra negative motion, like in a push-up, if you're going down, you're getting a fuller range of motion, you're getting, just even a better workout, but also it takes all of that pressure off of my wrist that are normally in this position and hurting and putting all sorts of strain, even up into my elbow. Being able to hold them with a fist is just, it's been great for my wrist, for my elbows, for all of my joints. I feel like it's a lot healthier and more natural position. And again, it's just allowed me to experiment with so many new exercises, and I love it. I'm hooked on them. When you buy these, you're going to get access to an online fitness community, coaching, and a guide to all of the different exercises that you can do with these. You're gonna love it. Definitely check them out. This is an amazing thing to add to your home gym. You guys will be so happy you did. Add it to your cart.